Welcome guys, welcome to how to do it. Today we are going to talking something about this Philips smart LED bulb, that how you can easily reset this device for connect on any other mobile phone for it's not working or any problem is over there and you want to reset this device. Very easy way to reset this device. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I'm going to telling you that how you can reset this device. As you can see, it's just working on my mobile phone and I can control this. And after that, if you want to reset this device, you have to just press this button, switch on and off for 3 to 5 times. That will be depend if its color changed on 3 after 3 times to blue, that means it has been reset and it's on now on pulse mode. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on this 1 2 3 4 5. Now it has been changed to blue, that means it has been reset right now and you can easily use and connect it again. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.